Welcome to our channel. If you want to delete all your Twitter likes at once to clean up your liked tweets, follow these step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Log into your Twitter account using a web browser on your computer. Step 2. Note that Twitter does not offer a built-in feature to delete all likes at once, so you will need to use a third-party tool or browser extension. Step 3. Search for reputable services like Twitter, Unlike All, Unlike Everything, or similar tools designed for bulk unliking. Step 4. Follow the instructions provided by the tool to connect it to your Twitter account. Some tools may require you to authorize access via Twitter's API. Step 5. Once connected, select the option to unlike all tweets or set filters for which likes you want to remove, such as likes older than a certain date. Step 6. Confirm the bulk unlike action to begin the process of removing all your liked tweets. Step 7. Be patient as the tool processes your request. Twitter's API rate limits may slow down the process, especially if you have many likes. Step 8. Check your Twitter profile after the process completes to ensure all selected likes have been removed. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.